Good day everyone. So in this video lesson, we are going to discuss about how to graph the polynomial function. And in this video lesson, our focus is to find the x and y intercepts. So itong nakikita nyo is this the different graphs of polynomial function. The first one, this is the constant function. And the second one is the linear function. So makikita natin uh, at degree 1, so kapag linear function in 1 degree lang, 'di ba? So makikita natin na isa ang best yung graph niya nag-cross lang ng uh, isang beses sa x-axis natin. And then kapag quadratic function naman, so parabola yung graph natin. So ibig sabihin the highest degree is 2. Makikita nyo na uh, yung x-axis natin, so dumaan yung graph, no? Ng dalawang beses sa x-axis natin. Ayan, it is 1 and this one. And then yung cubic function natin, kung saan yung highest degree is 3, so makikita naman natin na tatlo, no? Tatlo yung nag-touch yung graph, no? Sa x-axis natin, thrice. Ganun din sa quartic function, so 4. And then sa quintic function, 5. Okay. So ito yung mga possible na ma-encounter natin kapag nag-graph tayo ng polynomial function. Pero isa-isahin natin ito kasi medyo marami tayong kailangan i-consider to graph polynomial function. So first is yung x and y intercept. So tandaan natin sa previous video lesson natin, diniscuss natin kung paano kunin yung x and y intercept ng polynomial function. So kapag kukuha tayo ng x-intercept, kailangan lang natin dapat naka-factored na yung given na polynomial function. And then, equate lang natin yung factor to 0 and solve for x. Pag kukuha naman tayo ng y-intercept, ang gagawin lang natin, so isi-simplify lang natin yung function natin and then ililet natin yung x as equal to 0. Okay. So for example, determine the x-intercepts and the y-intercept of its given polynomial function. So to obtain other points on the graph, find the value of y that correspond to each value of x in the table. So for example, number 1, we have y is equal to x plus 4 times x plus 2 times x minus 1 times x minus 3. As you can see, class, naka-factored form na yung polynomial function natin. So, no need na i-factor natin. So, ang gagawin na lang natin to find the x-intercepts ay equate natin, no, lahat ng factor to 0 and solve for x. Okay, first, kunin natin si x plus 4, then equate natin kay 0, so and then solve for x. So pag ganito naman, madali na lang, di ba? So lipat natin si positive 4 sa right side, so the answer will be x is equal to negative 4. Or you can use the addition property of equality. You can subtract both equation, no? Or you can add negative 4 both equation, no? Both side of the equation rather. So the answer is negative 4. Okay, another is x plus 2. So, isa-isahin nyo to, no, equate sa 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0, so x is equal to negative 2. And then, x minus 1 equal to 0, so x is equal to 1. Then, x minus 3, so x minus 3 equal to 0, so x is equal to 3. Okay, so yung mga intercepts natin are negative 4, negative 2, 1, and 3. So, paano naman kunin yung y-intercept? So, pag kukunin natin yung y-intercept, gagawin natin 0 yung x natin. So, balik tayo dito sa polynomial function natin. So, gagawin lang natin 0 yung mga x. Okay? So, 0 plus 4 times 0 plus 2 times 0 minus 1 times 0 minus 3. And 0 plus 4, that is 4. 0 plus 2, that is 2. 0 minus 1, that is negative 1. And 0 minus 3 is negative 3. So, Then simplify. 4 times 2 times negative 1 times negative 3. The answer is 24. So yung intercept natin, y-intercept is 24. Okay. Para makatulong sa inyo class, no, malaking bagay kasi na kinukuhatan natin yung x-intercept sa y-intercept. At isang bagay din na makakatulong sa inyo ay gumawa kayo ng table of values. No? Gagawa kayo ng table of values para hindi kayo mahirapan mag-graph. So, like for example, itong given na polynomial function natin, kunin natin yung value ng y, given the values of x from negative 5, negative 3, 0, 2, and 4. So, kunin natin yung value ng y. So, paano ba natin kukunin? So, evaluate lang natin yung polynomial function na given by substituting yung value ng x. So, halimbawa, si negative 5. So, ano magiging value ng y? So, kunin lang natin yung given natin and then papalitan natin yung x ng negative 5 para makuha natin yung value ng y. So, negative 5 plus 4 times negative 5 plus 2 times negative 5 minus 1 times negative 5 minus 3. And then, simplify nyo lang yan. So, negative 5 plus 4, that is negative 1. Negative 5 plus 2, that is negative 3. Negative 5 minus 1, that is negative 6. Negative 5 minus 3, negative 8. Then multiply. Negative 1 times negative 3 times negative 6 times negative 8. The answer is positive 144. Saka natin ilagay dito. So, ganun din yung gagawin nyo kay negative 3, 0, 2, and 4. So, isa-substitute nyo lang sa x natin. So, kapag sinubstitute nyo yan, ang makukuha nyo kay negative 3, that is negative 24. Kay 0, 24. Kay 2, negative 24. At kay 4, 144. So, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kapag green up nyo na ito, no? Using the Cartesian plane. Okay, so kapag nag-graph tayo class, pwede kayo mag-download ng GeoGebra or Desmos sa cellphone nyo. So, free naman yung pag-download nun para makita nyo yung graph niya. So, ipapakita ko lang yung kahalagahan ng x and y intercepts. Para hindi tayo mahirapan sa pag-graph, no? Kung saan dadaan ba yung graph natin. So, first, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga point, okay, yung ordered pair ng x-intercepts natin. So, first is yung negative 4. So, yung x-intercept, so of course, that is negative 4, 0. Okay? And next, so ito yon. Next is negative 2, 0. Ayan, makikita nyo ha. So, ibig sabihin yung graph natin dadaan sa mga point na yan, class. And then, 1, 0. Okay, ito yun. And then, 3, 0. So, ito yung x-intercepts nating class. X-intercepts. And then, yung y-intercept natin, so, yung x natin is 0, tapos yung y natin is 24. Okay. So, ibig sabihin ito yon. Next. Since may mga kinuha tayong point, no? May mga kinuha tayong point, so, idagdag natin yan. So, makikita nyo na yan ay dadaanan rin ng graph. So, negative 5, 144. And then, nandito class, nandito yung graph. And then, we have negative 3, negative 24. So, ito yun. And 0, 24. Okay. Ayan siya. 2, okay, 2, negative 24. Okay, ito. And the last one is 4, 144. Okay, yun nandun class. So, kapag titingnan natin class, yung graph natin, so, bago ko ilagay yung graph, mula dito, bababa yung graph natin, bababa ulit dito, tapos akyat, akyat. Parang pag ganyan yung graph natin. Okay? So, pag ganun, kaya importante class na kapag hindi pa kayo sanay mag-graph, so pinapakita ko lang sa inyo kapag nag-graph na kayo sa Cartesian plane, so una muna, i-plot nyo muna yung x-intercepts and y-intercept natin. And then yung nakuha natin sa table of values. Para madali kayo, okay, pag in-sketch nyo na yung graph, madali na lang sa inyo. So kapag nilagay ko yung given na polynomial function natin, that is y equals x plus 4. So type nyo lang lahat. X plus 2. And then x minus 1. And then x minus 3. Okay, so ganyan yung itsura nung graph nung example for number 1 natin. Okay? So ito yung magiging itsura niya. So, pwede nyo itong gamitin, no, yung app na to. So, makikita nyo, ma-check nyo agad yung graph natin. Alright, so balik tayo sa ano natin, sa susunod na example. Okay, so another, we have y is equal to x cubed minus 2x squared minus 3x. So, sa itong example na to, hindi agad natin siya makukuha yung x-intercept kasi hindi pa siya naka-factor. So, kailangan in factored form muna itong polynomial function natin. So, ang gagawin natin, ipa-factor muna natin. So, so ano yung common sa kanila? Yung x. So, yun ang kukunin natin. Okay, x. Then, x cubed divide x, that is x squared. 2x squared divide x, that is negative 2x, and negative 3x divide x, that is negative 3. So, itong nasa loob class, pwede nyo na i-factor yan, no? May, alam nyo na, dun sa mga previous video lesson, in factoring polynomials, diniscuss kung paano nagfa-factor ng ganito. So, kapag pinactor nyo yan, that is x minus 3 times x plus 1. So, ito yung factored form ng polynomial function natin, x times x minus 3 times x plus 1. So, pwede na natin kunin yung x-intercepts natin since naka-factored form na. So, yung una, x muna. Since that is equate natin sa zeros. Therefore, ang value na ng x is 0. Okay? Next is yung x minus 3. So, equate natin sa 0. So, x is equal to positive 3. Next is x plus 1 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to negative 1. And then yung y-intercept natin. So, again, ang gagawin natin sa y-intercept kapag nagsusolve tayo, papalitan lang natin ng 0 yung mga x natin. Okay, papalitan ng 0 yung x natin. So, 0 cubed minus 2 times 0 squared minus 3 times 0. So, kapag sinimplify, the answer is 0. Okay. And then, kapag magsusolve na tayo nitong table of values, so, kapag nag-solve na tayo ng table of values, so, yun ang sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina, substitute lang natin, no, itong negative 3 doon sa given na polynomial function. So, that will be, okay, so that start will be negative 5. Okay, so, that is negative 3. So, papalitan lang natin ng negative 3 yung x natin. So, negative 3 cubed minus negative 2 times negative 3 squared minus 3 times negative 3. So, itong given natin, pinalitan lang natin yung x natin ng negative 3. Then, simplify. The answer is negative 36. Okay, so ganun din ang gagawin nyo kapag sinolve nyo si negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. So, sasubstitute nyo lang sa x din natin. Papalitan nyo lang kung ano yung sinusolve nyo na. So, kapag rinap natin, sa pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, ganito ang magiging itsura nung graph natin. Alright, so magiging ganyan. So, i-check nyo yun using yung Desmos o yung GeoGebra. Okay, so kapag sinolve natin, si negative 2, ang sagot ng the value of y is negative 10, kasi negative 1, that is 0, 0, 0, and 1, negative 4, 2, negative 6, and 3, 0. So, pwede nyo yan i-check, no, using your calculator. Okay, another example, we have y is equal to 2x cubed minus 7x squared minus 7x plus 12. So, sa ganitong example class, hindi pa rin siya naka-factored form. So, kailangan nyo muna i-factor ito. Okay, so kapag na-factor nyo na, so ano ba yung factored form nito? So, yung factored form nito is x minus 1 times 2x plus 3 times x minus 4. Okay, so kailangan class, bago natin makuha yung x-intercept saka y-intercept, naka-factor yung given na polynomial function natin. So, to solve for x-intercept, kunin na natin ang bawat factor, then equate kay 0. So, x minus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to positive 1. Then, nung pangalawa, 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So, lipat natin si positive 3 sa kabilang side, kaya 2x is equal to negative 3. Divide both side by 2, so the answer is negative 3 over 2. And the other one is x minus 4 equal to 0, so x is equal to 4. And yung y-intercept natin, so palitan ng 0 yung x, ganun lang palagi class. Palitan ng 0 ng x, so that is 2 times 0 cubed minus 7 times 0 squared minus 7 times 0 plus 12. The answer is 12. Okay, so the y-intercept is 12. And then dito, para ma-solve natin, ma-complete natin yung table of values natin. So, substitute lang si negative 3 dito sa given natin. And then simplify. So, the answer is negative 84. So, and then kapag sinolve na natin, sinolve nyo to using your calculator. So, sinubstitute nyo si negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Ito yung makukuha natin. Okay, pwede nyo yan i-check using your calculator. So, kapag rinap natin yan, okay, pag rinap natin ito yung makukuha nyong sagot. Okay, so, ito yung negative 3 over 2, and then ito yung 4, tapos ito yung 1. Okay, makikita natin. Tapos, nandito yung 12, so yung y-intercept natin. Makikita nyo. Okay, next. Another example, we have y is equal to x plus 3 times x minus 2 squared times x plus 1 cube. Okay, so ganun lang din ang gagawin. Since naka-factor na siya, equate na lang natin kay 0. So, x plus 3 equal to 0, x is equal to negative 3. So, next is x minus 2 equal to 0, so x is equal to 2. And then, x plus 1 is equal to x plus 1, okay, equal to 0. So, that is x equal to negative 1. And to solve for y-intercept, since ang gagawin lang naman, palitan natin ng 0 yung mga x natin, then simplify. The answer is 0 plus 3, 3. 0 minus 2, that is negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2, since naka-squared, that is 4. 0 plus 1, that is 1. 1 times 1 times 1, the answer is 1. So, 3 times 4 times 1, that is 12. Okay, so ganun din dito. Palitan lang natin ng negative 3. So papalitan natin ng negative 3 to. So, hindi ko lang napakita. So, ang gagawin lang natin, so papalitan nyo ng negative 3 tong x natin. So, negative 3 plus 3, negative 3 minus 2 squared, negative 3 plus 1. Since 0 to class, so kapag minultiply natin to, since 0 yung isa, that will be 0. Okay, so ganun din kapag sinubstitute nyo si negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 dito sa given natin. So, makukuha nyo, negative 16, 0, 12, 0, 32, 384. So, you can check using your calculator. So, kapag rinap natin yan, class, ganito yung itsura niyan. Okay? Kapag rinap natin. So, this will be your negative 3. Ito yung negative 1 nyo. And then, this is the positive 2. Okay? So, yung x-intercept natin. Okay? And this last example, y is equal to negative x times x plus 3 times 3x minus 4. So, since naka-factor na yan, madali na lang kunin. So, negative x is equal to 0. Since negative yung x natin, divide both side by negative 1. 0 divide negative 1, 0 pa rin. Okay? Next, x plus 3, equal to 0. So, x is equal to negative 3. And then, 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. So, lipat natin si negative 4 sa right side. So 3x is equal to positive 4. Divide both side by 3. X is equal to 4 over 3. Okay, to solve for y-intercept, palitan lang ng 0 yung x. The answer is 0. And ganun din sa table of values para makuha natin yung value ng y, substitute lang natin yung mga values ng x dito sa given na polynomial function natin. So to solve for y, if x is negative 3, so y is equal to 0. Okay? So kapag kinumpute natin to, sinubstitute nyo, in-evaluate nyo itong negative 2 na ito, 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3, makukuha nyo dyan is negative 20, negative 14, 0, 4, negative 20, and negative 90. So, anong itsura ng graph niyan? Okay, ganyan yung magiging graph niyan.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button para updated kayo for more video tutorial. This is your guide in learning your math lesson, your Wow Math channel.